Yo, what's up, guys? Got my coffee, got breakfast done. Try and warm this thing up. Let the glow plugs warm up a little bit before I try and start it. But if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Sebastian. I live in this van and got a lot going on today. Alright, started right up. Camped out in this beautiful area last night. Southern Montana. Guess I gotta put the top down. I don't know if I could do this one-handed. Okay, on the road now, or dirt road, I guess. When I rolled in here last night, there was a really deep, big puddle that I just kind of went around instead of going through, so let's see how bad it is today. It's not very far from where I camped out. Should just be up this hill and around the corner maybe. To this side of it yesterday. Let's see how this is. Went better than I expected. Now it's just icy, muddy uphill climb. And then a really muddy downhill, and then we should be back on the road. My guess is that they opened this road not too long ago. There's a lot of snowy sections, and when the non-snowy sections is really, really wet mud, like this area. This is the entrance. Yeah, okay, we're back on the main bumpy road now. The main dirt road. Of course, it's loud in here because of that shock that I'm getting rebuilt tomorrow, which I'm stoked about. Okay. Doesn't sound great. Nope. Other than that, today we're gonna go hang out with some friends, do some rock climbing, I guess, and yeah, just more people I met on the internet, so we'll see how that goes.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Why'd you say you guys?
Well, you guys have each other's, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't have any service, but I'll have her send mine over. So.
Sweet. It was good climbing with you guys.
Yeah, it
yeah,
was awesome.
Thanks for the invite.
Of course, if we're ever around here, we'll let you know.
Just getting this for the YouTubes.
Yeah. Awesome, well.
See guys, I have friends.
Got friends out here?
That was a lot of fun hanging out with them. I'll link their socials down below, but they just kind of hit me up, let's meet up, let's go climbing. So we did, and we had a great day. Climbed outdoors before, but not like that, not with like the top rope and all that stuff. And it's been years since I've climbed last. It was a good reintroduction to climbing. Now I'm headed somewhere pretty exotic and exciting to camp out for tonight. I'll go and cook up some dinner. Tomorrow morning I have the appointment to go get my shock rebuilt. Now that I'm thinking of it, I probably should go wash the van before rolling up there with the muddy ass van.
Okay, I just woke up. Making some coffee and breakfast now. I slept at the good old Walmart Inn Express last night. And I'm trying not to be late here, so I'm gonna head over to the shop and get these shocks rebuilt. Just ate breakfast, and now I didn't get to finish my coffee, but I gotta get this thing warmed up. So we'll see how long it takes me to spill my coffee up here. Wait for the glow plugs to warm up. Okay, called Freedom 4-wheel drive. I just pulled the shocks off and handed them over, so it'll take them like an hour and a half, he said, to rebuild them. In the meantime, I'm gonna edit a little bit and see, try and drive. It's snowing. They gave me the option. They said, well, we'd have to charge you extra for them to do the work, and I'm like, can I just like not pay and pull them off in your driveway? And they said yeah. So super cool people. Didn't take them too long to get this done. Then I'll throw them back on. Hopefully it stops snowing by then, and then we'll be on our way. Got the shocks done. They're looking pretty good. I'm sure they're going to fight with me putting them back in, so I'm gonna get the jack out and try and make this process as easy as possible. So I went ahead and jacked up the back here just so I didn't have to compress the shocks too much. I'm just putting the jack away. Kind of shove it in here. If I need anything else, I know where to come. Freedom 4-wheel drive in Four Corners, or it's just outside of Bozeman, so it's not too far away. I think we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna go grab some more groceries and then probably start making my way back down to Gardner. Tonight I'm parked in the same spot I was the other night, not too far away from the north entrance of Yellowstone. Tomorrow, I'm quitting Vanlife. Okay, well, temporarily. They're providing housing for me while I'm working in Yellowstone. I'm checking into my new living accommodations in the morning. I'm gonna cook up some dinner and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm in a house or an apartment or condo, whatever you want to call it. Just checked into my employee housing in Gardner. I'm not supposed to start work until next Tuesday, which it's Friday now, so I got a couple of days. I'm not gonna fully move in here just yet. I'm just gonna charge my batteries and probably hit the road again. Go find something to do for the weekend, and I'm not sure what that's gonna be yet, but we'll go figure something out. I'm gonna go fly fishing. I'm gonna try to anyway. I figured this episode is probably a good one for doing stuff that I haven't done in years. I just went to the fly shop, picked up some tippet and leader line and some flies, some recommendations on where the hell to go. So it turns out fly fishing is a lot harder than I remembered. I found a new spot. I'm gonna try and go down there. See how many times I could tangle my line this time. Still getting used to casting. I found out all the wrong ways to do it and discovered all the ways to tie a knot while casting. Oh my god. Yeah, this line is super easy to freaking get knots in, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. It's day one, okay? It's day one, and it sucks.
That couldn't have gotten any worse. I'm sure there's fish in there. They don't want what I'm serving. Have I mentioned I don't know what I'm doing? It's okay. Still fun. Cool spot, cool area. I'm having fun. This is fun. Learning something for the first time is easier than trying to relearn it once you've forgotten all the things. Because when you learn it for the first time, you're more susceptible to retain all the information other than when you're getting back into, say, a hobby or something like this. You're less motivated to learn things the right way the first time. Maybe you're just less stoked on the whole process, or you feel like you already know it, so you don't want to relearn it. I don't know. There's probably better ways of putting it. I don't know what knot this is. This is what some guy told me to do on the YouTube website, you know? That doesn't look right at all. Winged looking thing. This bug. Fly. Flies are bugs. Alright. We are in business. Stabbed myself a couple times. Think I do this. I'm just putting this one on for next time because I don't want to get tangled up again. I'm gonna head back to the condo. I've got one roommate. I left some stuff there, so hopefully he knows I'm coming. Got this thing mounted up right here, and then I just put it through a little carabiner over there. I should hold it pretty good. I've come to the realization that I'm not gonna try and do things that I kind of know how to do and portray it in a way that I'm really good at it, because on camera, I feel like you could make anything look good, but I would much rather bring you guys along my journey, trying new things alone or with friends and taking you through my struggles in doing so, because I feel like a really hard thing to do is to actually get out there and try new things. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head back to the condo. I probably will stay the night. We'll see how that goes. I've been living in the van long enough that this feels like home, but I don't know. I'm gonna be staying there for 6 months. Better now than ever, so let's go. Okay, we're back in the condo. This is what the nonprofit in Yellowstone will set you up with if you choose to work here. Got a upstairs, got a downstairs, you got a backyard, living room, kitchen, washer dryer, 2 bathrooms. This place is pretty sweet. It's set up pretty well. It's a lot more than what I had before, obviously. The views are great out every window, and this is where I'll be staying for the next 6 months. So I guess I really am quitting van life.